Welcome back to the channel. We are back. Took a little vacation, went to Switzerland, did some car spotting. Probably boring for a lot of you, but whatever. Need to fill the time. So yeah, we're back. Gonna work on some more of the Land Cruiser today. Tires have been ordered for the beta. I'm not gonna mount them myself. I don't really have the time to do it, and the shop nearby can do it for pretty cheap, so I'm just gonna take advantage of that. But yeah, back on the trail soon. But in the meantime, we're going to work on the Land Cruiser. So back to peeling off this paint. Fun stuff. All right, like and subscribe. Let's get to work.
Alright, this is my look for today. A lot of debris, so I'm gonna get covered up. Alright, let's get to grinding.
Alright, we might need to get creative with these boards right here. It looks like the body is slightly attached to a bracket right underneath. I mean, that's not the only mounting point, but it is a primary mounting point. So we might actually just make something new and cut that off, because all those bolts are stripped, but whatever. We'll get to it when we get to it. Alright, we've got one entire side of the Land Cruiser stripped of paint, so that's exciting. I think as my last portion of this video, I'm going to chop off this floorboard. So let's see if we can do that. Alright, that's it for today's video. One side of the Land Cruiser pretty much done. I'm going to probably do a little primer. But first we gotta take the top off, and that's not gonna happen for at least a couple more months. I need to get a track bar so this whole thing can move forward and backwards, because right now we just got it freeform moving around. It's very dirty. So yeah, that's what the plan is for now. I'm gonna keep working on the body, and then as I get a little bit more money saved up, I'm gonna start buying some more components for the front here, and then we can move this whole thing out and start working on other aspects. All right, like and subscribe. And that's it for today. See you on the next one. Peace.